In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add and customize an exponential moving average, or EMA, on TradingView. If you're diving into the world of trading, understanding how to set these indicators can significantly help you make more informed decisions. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to navigate to your chart in TradingView. This is where you'll be conducting your analysis, so having your chart open is essential. Once you're there, look for the Indicators button at the top of the screen. When you click on that, you'll be greeted with a vast array of options, but don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. In the search bar at the top, type in EMA, which stands for Exponential Moving Average. You might come across various types of moving averages, but for today's tutorial, we're focusing on the exponential one. Once you've located it in the list, go ahead and click on Moving Average Exponential. This action will apply the EMA indicator directly onto your chart. Now that your EMA is visible on your chart, you'll need to tailor it to your preference. To do this, find your newly added EMA indicator. It should appear as a colored line running alongside your price data, typically distinguished by default settings that may not perfectly match what you're analyzing. So custom settings can be very useful here. Click on the small settings icon that appears after selecting your EMA line. The settings menu is a powerful tool that allows you to adjust various parameters. In this tutorial, you'll specifically want to focus on the length tab. Clicking here will let you type in a new figure. Let's go with 20, which is a common length used by many traders. This number essentially helps smooth out price data over 20 periods. With that set, it's time to finalize these changes. Simply click OK to apply the modifications, and you're good to go. This finalizes the adjustments and ensures your chart is set up exactly the way you want it. Your customized EMA line should now reflect the changes, offering an easier way to interpret whatever financial data you're analyzing. And just like that, you've successfully added and customized an EMA on TradingView. Using EMAs effectively can open up new insights into market trends and help forecast potential price movements. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try applying different settings and seeing how they affect your analysis.
Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your trading strategies with your freshly customized chart.